You guys, I am back, and this is just a quick update. I wanted you guys to see my lady finger cactus right here. It's also called a copper king. Look at how big it is right now, right? Now, let me give you a flashback when I actually purchased it. This one might be my favorite so far because look at this. Look at the pattern. And it is spiky as well. So if you touch it, it is very spiky. It's so pretty. And I'm actually going to try. Oh wait. Okay, so you guys see the difference? It's grown so much. I think I might have to change it pretty soon because, but the only thing is that it keeps growing that way. So I might just like shift it over a little bit over here. But as you can see, there are new ones growing in here, over here, right here, and all over the place. If you look over here, these were ones that broke off. This one broke off recently, like maybe this past week. That one broke off, oh my gosh, like more than a year ago, and it hasn't like really grown as much. It has grown roots, but it has just stalled. So yeah, and then yeah, the one that's more greenish, that one just broke off. So hopefully it will grow. But yeah, look at this. I'm so happy. Look at how big. So these supposedly grow up to about 6 inches. We'll see what happens. I'm hoping that this space can be filled in. Maybe with others that grow in through here, because I think there's another one over here growing in. But even if so, I still do need to change it. I need to get a bigger pot. But for now, I think it's fine. So yeah, isn't it pretty? Look at how big and strong it is. Alright, you guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.